Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. I am Karim, also known as Smell of Truth, and thank you so much for passing by. Today I'm gonna explain you my spray routine. Where I spray, how much sprays I do, why I spray on these spots. I'm gonna tell it to you. But before I show it to you, as always, make sure to subscribe to my channel to not miss out on any great content anymore. Give this video a thumb up and comment down below with how many sprays do you go normally. Michelle will comment something between 20 and 50.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 23. But I forgot how many sprays we are, so I'll just keep continuing. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hey, check out this lighter trick.
Jeremy Fragrance will comment with 5. But I want to know how many sprays do you do. Comment down below. Today I'm gonna show you my spray routine with Signature Citrine. Because today is a very hot day in Switzerland. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go with a very fresh, citrusy, also kind of light and a bit softer fragrance that I am going to spray a bit more than I usually do with heavier fragrances. So this is the amount of sprays that I do with a fresh designer fragrance, not with a niche fragrance. This is obviously a niche fragrance, but because this is softer than other niche fragrances in my collection, I'm gonna go a bit heavier on the trigger. I'm gonna explain it.
And don't worry about longevity, this one will last a lot longer than you.
So what I always do that I kind of learned from Jeremy is one spray behind each ear. Then he says here, between here and here. I do here where I can check the kind of pulse, because it is a pulse point. So another one here, another one here. Then I'm gonna go with not one, I'm gonna go with 2 sprays behind my neck. One in the hair and one on skin, to make sure to leave an amazing sillage. So I'm gonna go one in the hair, and that was a bit too high. Normally I go a bit down, and one on skin. Then the second spray behind the neck is an extra spray that I do to leave a great sillage, or simply because this fragrance is a bit softer. This is, for example, how I would spray with ACQUA di Gio Profumo or with another kind of freshie. Then I'm gonna go with one spray on each shoulder, but on either on the shirt or on the jacket or on the hoodie, whatever I'm wearing. So just kind of on top. So I'm gonna go with here and here on each shoulder, and then also one on the chest. I have to hold the microphone, hang on. Here on the chest. Then one spray on my wrist. Oh, sorry. And what I normally do with a stronger fragrance is I dab. But in this case, because this is a bit softer and I want people to smell it and I want it to project and leave a better sillage, I go with another spray on the other wrist. Oh shit. And finish. I spray on clothes so the fragrance is gonna last longer. I spray in the hair so the fragrance is gonna last longer. I spray on the wrists and on the back of my neck to leave a sillage. I spray here to have a good projecting scent when someone is in front of me talking to me. Oh, you smell good, by the way.
Hey, sexy rock star tiger.
That's what I want to hear. And on the wrist, simply because I want to smell, I want to see how the fragrance develops, I want to see how it changes, how it is going to smell in 2 hours, for example. This is why I also spray on wrists, and obviously also to leave a kind of scent, to have a kind of scent bubble also here down on me, and to leave a bit of a sillage when I have my hands down. what I also want to mention is I go to work now. I have enough space. I am working in retail. If you are in close encounters, don't go with as many sprays. I don't even know how many I did. Don't go with as many sprays that I did. Go with less. Go with maybe 6 sprays. And if you have a very strong fragrance, like let me show you some examples. I'm gonna show you 2 examples, a freshy and a sweet one, in niche, because niche fragrances are very strong. So freshy will be Xerge of Torino 21, Xerge of Torino 21. That one is really strong. I don't go with that many sprays. I maybe go with 1 spray on chest, skip the 2 on the shoulders, skip the second here, and maybe go with 1, 2, 3, 4, and on my skin 5. That's it, I think, because this one is really strong. Same goes for Angel's Share, although I think with Angel's Share I will go with the second spray behind my neck, simply because I want to leave a sillage everywhere that I go. I want to leave a sillage with this one because it is absolutely gorgeous in wintertime. Try to find out how many sprays is good for you. How do you feel comfortable? Do you want your fragrance to project as far as possible and want people to smell you from 3 meters away? Then obviously go with more than only 5 sprays. If you want something close, the people should come close to you and you want them to smell it close on you because you want the person to get close to you, then go with maybe 5 or even less if you have a stronger fragrance. If you want something that projects a bit but not as heavy, go with, I would recommend 8 sprays, something between 8 sprays. And whatever you're comfortable with, I showed you my spray routine, I told you why I do that. Whatever you are comfortable with, if you want to have a better projection, then a better sillage, then go with the sprays on these spots that leave a better projection. If you want to have a better sillage, then go with the second sprays on the back of your neck. And if you have long hair, definitely spray it in your hair if you want to leave a sillage. That was the video. If this video was helpful, I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumb up and comment down below if I helped you, or as I said, with how many sprays you usually go. Thank you very much, stay healthy and see you next time. Bye bye.
I stay the same.